Hello everyone, welcome to this new Blender training. For those who don't know who I am, I'm Julian Deville, I'm the founder of UG Graphics. I'm a freelance 3D designer since 9 years. I'm a Blender trainer certified by the Blender Foundation, and I have been training on this software online and in situ for 7 years now. You can go on my ArtStation page, UG Chopper, and my UG Graphics YouTube channel and my UG Graphics Facebook page to find more about me. Blender is a free open source software. You can have no license to buy, just go into blender.org website and download the software. Install it and you are ready to start 3D design. Very simple. Blender supports all the 3D pipeline and is incredibly powerful. During this training you will learn a complete workflow to build a full realistic dinosaur from scratch. We will start by modeling, then we will use the sculpting tools of Blender to add more details into our Allosaurus. To complete the workflow you will learn how to paint, how to render and animate your model. You will have 30 hours of video tutorials to complete. All the source files are exclusive and a full package of 5 dinosaurs ready to render is included for free in this course. It's a very good opportunity. This training will exclusively be available on the EU market for the Chinese market. I hope you will enjoy it. Download Blender, start Blender, and let's go for the first video of this training.